Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a brand new 25-foot Grand Mariner. This is an absolute gorgeous boat, a newer layout that we typically don't have in, but you have two nice loungers here in the back. They're absolutely comfortable as can be. There's cup holders, lights in the cup holders. You got a JL audio sound control here as well as charging ports. So you can always keep your cell phones charged. There's storage underneath the backs of the seats and in the side of the seats here. This little lounger is absolutely amazing. Again, same thing. You got cup holders, you got charging ports in here, an armrest with a cup holder in it, a great spot to sit and talk to the captain of the boat or just lounge out and enjoy the ride. Here at the Helm, this is our newer Helm. It's also our crown Helm. You got a nice little storage compartment in the top here, as well as JL audio sound system. As you can see, all your controls for your lights and your underwater stuff as well. And then here in the front, you got two nice big loungers as well. Same thing here, cup holders, cup holder lights, and charging ports in every single part. Wherever there's a cup holder inside the seat, there's charging ports. So on both sides. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat today.